Setbacks. They can feel heavy, like a roadblock standing between you and your goals. But as we talked about in the last video, setbacks don't define you, they shape you. Now it's time to move from reflecting on your challenges to taking action. In this part, I'll guide you through a simple 3-step plan to turn your setbacks into a powerful comeback. Let's start with the first step. Define your next small move. When you're trying to recover from a setback, it's easy to focus on the big picture and feel completely overwhelmed. So instead of looking at everything you need to fix, focus on just one small action you can take right now. Here's what I want you to do. Grab your phone or a piece of paper and write down your goal. Underneath it, write down one small, specific step you can take today. For example, if you're recovering from a missed deadline, your small move might be sending an email to explain your plan for catching up. If you've been struggling with fitness goals, it could be going for a 10-minute walk or prepping one healthy meal. The key is to make the steps so manageable that it feels doable immediately. Small actions build momentum, and momentum creates progress. The second step is to build your support system. No one succeeds alone, and setbacks can feel even heavier when you try to handle them in isolation. Think about someone in your life who inspires you or makes you feel supported. It could be a friend, a family member, or even a coworker. Reach out to them with this message. Hey, I've been working on and I've hit a few challenges. Would you mind being my accountability partner? I'd love to check in with you once a week to share my progress. If asking feels hard, start smaller. Send a quick text like, I'm working on something important and could really use your advice or encouragement. Are you free to chat? And if you don't have someone in your immediate circle, consider joining a group or community online. There are forums, Facebook groups, and even local meetups filled with people on similar journeys who would love to support you. Finally, the third step is to track your wins, no matter how small. After a setback, it's easy to focus on what's gone wrong, but noticing what's going right can change your entire perspective. Here's a simple way to do it. Open your phone's notes app and create a section called Today's Wins. Every evening, take 2 minutes to write down one thing you did well that day. For example, I sent that email I'd been avoiding. I asked for feedback and got a helpful response. I got up 30 minutes earlier and made time for myself. These wins don't have to be big. They just have to remind you that progress is happening. Over time, this small habit builds confidence and helps you see how far you've come. Let me share a quick story for inspiration. Oprah Winfrey, one of the most successful women in the world, was once fired from her job as a TV anchor. Her boss told her she wasn't fit for television. Imagine if she'd let that setback define her. Instead, she used it as fuel to find her true calling. What looked like a failure in the moment was actually a stepping stone to her greatest success. Her story is a reminder that setbacks are often detours, not dead ends. Now it's your turn. Think about the setback you've been reflecting on. What's one small move you can take today to start your comeback? Write it down. Then, think of one person you can reach out to for support. And tonight, take 2 minutes to track one win. Something that reminds you you're making progress. These steps might seem small, but they're powerful. They're the foundation of your comeback. If this resonated with you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to Living in Gold for more inspiration. And let's keep the conversation going. What's one small step you'll take this week to start your comeback? Share it in the comments below. I'd love to cheer you on.